Hello everyone, this is Swaminarayan. Effective Technical Communication, Sum 3. The subject code is 315004. So let's discuss dear all. Contents of Unit 2. These are the contents of Unit 2. Introduction, report writing, technical proposal, technical description, business status, agenda of meeting and minutes of meeting, and resume writings. So as we all know, types of reports, how to write reports, what are types of proposal, technical descriptions, letters, inquiry order, business appreciation, apology, request, and how to write notice, how to write agenda, and what is the role of MOM in a meeting. And today we are going to discuss resume writing. So here I will try to tell you, resume is a short, concise document used for job application. The purpose of a resume is to provide recruiters. The purpose of a resume is to provide recruiters with a brief overview of the candidate's work history. A good resume should be targeted at a specific job and 1 to 2 pages long. So there is a one definition which I have shared you. In this section we will discuss how to write a resume with or without work experience. In this section we will discuss, look at here, these are the points that we are going to discuss: format, educational qualifications, work experience, career objective, other skills, certificate and awards, volunteer work, hobbies and interest, languages known, add a cover letter. So here I will tell you, a resume is a 1 or 2 page professional document that job applicants put forward to hiring managers and employment recruiters as a tool of itemizing their work experience, educational background and unique skills. Resume writing. While applying for jobs, you can use different ways of writing a resume. But the most common and latest way of writing a resume is by organizing your information in chronological orders. Yeah, you must have to organize information about who you are. It tells you your resume. Which skills you have, it tells you your resume. So you have to organize your skills, extracurricular activities in a chronological orders. These days, a reverse chronological order is followed by putting things in a reverse sequence of occurrence. रिवर्स क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर्स का मीनिंग ये है कि लेटेस्ट अभी क्या कर रहे हो तब से 10 तक का आपको बताना है. जस्ट लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, फर्स्ट यू मस्ट राइट अबाउट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग राइट नाउ and moving to the past in reverse order. So this is done so that the employers can easily get the details of our present job or studies which is of high priority for them. तो उनको सेलेक्ट करने में पता चले कि नहीं what exactly he or she is doing right now. So introduction, it includes heading, inside address, date, celebration, subject. This is the path of introduction also. In this section, we will discuss how to write a resume with no work experience and a resume with work experience. Resume with no work experience, fresher or graduate. The key point you must remember, is to focus on your education, highlight your skills, highlight your hobbies and interest, and mention all the extra curricular activities and achievements. So whatever you have, what you are, it tells your resume. Which hobbies, which interests, and you are focusing on which extracurricular activities also, and your achievements. Following are the steps to follow while preparing a resume for no work experience. A person who is having no work experience. Format number 1, add a heading statement. First of all, he or she adds heading statement. Use reverse chronological method. वो एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन क्यों ना हो, यूज रिवर्स chronological method. Highlight your achievements and accomplishment by बोल्ड करके हाईलाइट करो उसको. Underline your education and relevant skills. Include internships, extracurricular activities and volunteer work. You have to include internship आपने कहीं भी की हो या extracurricular, you have to highlight and volunteer work. कहीं भी जहाँ भी आप गए हो, you have to include all this when a person who is a fresher. Add a cover letter. In cover letter, we send our request in written form to submit our application. This letter is prepared either in block layout or in a modified block layout. Cover letter includes all the standard elements. Focus on education. Mention all details about your education. If you are a postgraduate, then you may write as below. From current scenario अगर हम देखेंगे पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, तो it comes first post graduation from MBA in marketing 2010. So reverse chronological order. IIM Ahmedabad, CGPA 9.2, graduation, BTech in mechanical engineering in 2008, XYZ Institute of Engineering and Technology, Ahmedabad, CPI 9.8, HSC 2004, केंद्रीय विद्यालय अहमदाबाद 95.5%, CBSE बोर्ड, SSC 2002, केंद्रीय विद्यालय अहमदाबाद, CBSE बोर्ड. So it's a chronological reverse order of your resume. लास्ट में आपने क्या किया तब से फर्स्ट तक. Objective statements or summary of a resume. Objective statement and summary of a resume. As you do not have any experience, this part of the resume becomes very important. Like here you need to write your own clear objective in only one sentence. Objective shows you which talent you have, which inner strength, skills which you have, and you can prove by practical also. And write about yourself and your particular skill set which you have learned during your life, which is relevant to the job applied for. So once when you go through the advertisement of job, you have to know, you have to be aware of, do I have that type of skill which the person is going to include, appointed. So yes, then you are going to write a resume first. For example, to contribute as a successful mechanical engineer in the competitive mechanical field and secure superior position which suits my dynamic personality and fulfill eagerness to learn new challenging things. So here I am going to share you one example to continuous सक्सेस मिलने के लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये कम्पिटिटिव फील्ड में वो कैसे सिक्योर हुआ, उसका सिक्योर सुपरविजन कैसे उसका उसने रखा, विच शूज माई डायनेमिक पर्सनैलिटी, अ पर्सन हु इज बिलीव इन डायनेमिक नहीं कि स्टेटिक पर्सनैलिटी, and fulfill eagerness to learn new challenging jobs. So whatever the challenging jobs are coming in your ways, you must have to commitment for your own self also. Chief and firm goal of life is to be the hard working engineer as it dream for childhood. वो childhood से dream अगर होगा आपका, you just put in active progress and you also proved it your future. So working engineer as it dreams from childhood. Resume writing, make your skills section very attractive. You have to make your skills section very active, like resume, communication skills, people skills, problem solving ability do you have. So you have to prove that. Organizing, fast calculation, information gathering आपकी कितनी है, कैसी है, how can you collect information, skills with using internet, knowing an extra software. MS का आपको पूरा नॉलेज है कि नहीं है, like that. It can be included in these sections. Different skills are required for each job profile. डिफरेंट स्किल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ईच जॉब प्रोफाइल, या हर एक जॉब के लिए हर एक स्किल्स, डिफरेंट स्किल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ईच जॉब प्रोफाइल्स. सो एवरी जॉब प्रोफाइल के लिए अ पर्सन मस्ट हैव द स्किल्स. सो इट हेल्प्स एम्प्लॉयर टू डिफ्रेंशिएट योर फ्रॉम अदर कैंडिडेट्स. सो इट हेल्प्स एम्प्लॉयर to differentiate your from other candidate. How can you differ your identity from other candidates? Certifications and awards which you have gained in your childhood. These days it has become easier as many good certification courses are available online. There are many good बहुत सारे ऐसे courses which are available online. Also mention your achievements and awards if you have received any during your student life. स्टूडेंट लाइफ में अगर आपने कोई अचीवमेंट्स, कोई अवार्ड्स लिए हो, प्राप्त किए हो एज पर योर स्किल्स, सो यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन दैट. मेंशंस ऑल सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्सेज दैट यू हैव डन टू लर्न न्यू एंड डिफरेंट स्किल्स. तो वो स्किल्स से आप कैसे आगे बढ़ सकते हो, या व्हाट द अचीवमेंट्स, अवार्ड्स यू हैव गेन्ड. These skills, it also helps you a lot also. Okay, how can you learn day by day? Mentions all certification courses that you have done to learn new different skills. While you are student, it is important to learn more through short certification courses. There are many short courses available in online also. So you must have to put forward this action. Volunteer work. How can a person who is always ready to become a good role of volunteer? Employers appreciate candidates who have done something for the community. Yes, Employers, when he or she is, they are going to appreciate something for community. Here community, it means a group of people living in the same place. सेम प्लेस में होने के बावजूद आप एक यू हैव बिकम अ वाइल्ड रोल and you have to show your inner strength also. Yes, I can do that. So it shows that you have an attitude of contributing and you take initiatives to bring about a change. So whatever the change, whatever the steps which you are taking, it is you must always be think twice कि मेरे लिए क्या सही है और क्या नहीं. So be always ready to contribute yourself in any organizations. Also, it highlights some of your abilities and skills which you need to do certain volunteer work like interpersonal skills. You must have to show your abilities and skills which you need to certain volunteer work. Interpersonal skills यानी 2 persons and more than 2 persons they are involved in one matter and take decisions. It is your abilities. How can in that place you can prove yourselves? Hobbies, interests, languages known. Hobbies and interests and the language which you are known are important factors for a fresher. Your interest tells us about what kind of person you may be. Yeah, आपका इंटरेस्ट आपको बताया कि what kind of person you are. It also so that you can manage taking work pressure. Yeah, you are also proving your dynamic personality कि चलो टाइम कि you are not a clock watcher. Yeah, कि you are always just maintaining time also, and whatever skills you have to show in your work also. It also shows that you can manage talking, taking very work pressure as you already have other activities of your interest. अगर बाकी की एक्टिविटीज़ के आपकी इंटरेस्ट में हो, you have to manage also. It depends on you. How can you managing 2 activities, taking work pressure and as you already have another which is your interest. So the languages known are very important to ensure the employee that you can communicate in more languages. Yeah, a person who knows more languages, so you say, I know Hindi, English, Gujarati, like that. Add a cover letter. A good cover letter that matches your resume helps a lot in winning an interview. Yeah, it helps a person who wants a job. Okay, how can I win the interviewer's trust on my job? कि मेरे resume पढ़ के he or she calling me or send an email. Mention something about the company in the cover letter. Do mention something about the company also in cover letter. This cover letter saying it's your first step, which relates to you. Okay, who you are, what is your strength, and of whatever the positions you require, is it there or not. Also mention how keen you are to work with them, how much you are interested you are there, and how can you mix your nature with other persons. Types of resume. Resume can be written in different ways according to the requirements. Like functional resume, this is a simple resume which lists down the educational qualifications and experience without following any chronology. कोई भी chronology को follow किए बिना you can also write down your education qualification experience. So functional resume, it tells you don't follow any chronology. It mainly focuses on what rather than when. आपने क्या किया है वो ज़रूरी है ज़्यादा, नहीं कि कब किया है. When you have done it. People with career gaps use this type of job. Yeah, a person who has जैसे BE होने के बाद वो कहीं वापस जॉब में चला गया और उसने वापस 2 or 3 years के बाद he has again start to do ME or MTech. So these are career gaps. So it is always helpful those person who have a career gaps. Chronological resume. This is resume in reverse chronological sequence. With latest job first. Latest job हमेशा फर्स्ट आएगी and first job at the last. What you are doing right now, it's a chronological, and which is your first job in the past, वो last में आएगी. Followed by educational qualification with highest degree first. एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन आता है हाईएस्ट डिग्री, जो भी आपने अभी जस्ट पास आउट किया है, जैसे MBA, तो उस तरह से MBA, BE, 12, 10 लाइक दैट. स्कैनेबल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिज्यूमे. Scannable, it is called also electronic resume. Nowadays, it is very important to prepare and upload your resume online. This type of resume is becoming popular also. It can be chronological or functional. This helps companies search for relevant resume and call for interview. This resume is also prepared in computer in a software format. This method of recruiting is faster, money saving, and you can also see many chances opportunities for us where and how you can send your resume. So these are the types of resume. Here we are going to see. I am going to share an example of resume. Resident address: Dukan Vashant at Pathanpura, Taluko Mehsana, Post Ajol, District Gandhinagar, Gujarat, India. Pin code 32810. Mobile number, email ID Vishal Patel. Career objective: to contribute as a successful mechanical engineer in the competitive mechanical field and secure superior position which suits my dynamic personality. उसके अंदर क्या क्या है? A person shows you what is my inner strength and fulfill eagerness to learn new challenging jobs. Is always to ready a new challenging jobs. Chief and firm goal of life is to be the hard-working engineer, as it is dream from childhood. वो चालू का ड्रीम है कि मुझे ऐसा बनना है. सो यू आर द सेपर हो कि आपको आपका करियर कैसे बनाना है. एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन बी इन मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री है. कॉलेज और स्कूल XYZ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, यूनिवर्सिटी बोर्ड गुजरात टेक्नोलॉजी यूनिवर्सिटी. ईयर एंड एग्रीगेट. सेमिस्टर वाइज परफॉर्मेंस इन बी. सेमिस्टर परफॉर्मेंस इंडेक्स लाइक सेम 8 तो करंटली पास आउट 9.24. सेम 7 का रिजल्ट 7.9. सेम 6 7.62. सेम 5 8.28. सेम 4 8.07. सेम 3 7.72. सेम 2 8.71 and सेम 1 5.72. HSC शेट CG हाई स्कूल पिलवाई गुजरात सेकेंडरी एंड हायर सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन बोर्ड 2010 73%. SSC CMD शाह हाई स्कूल आजोल गुजरात सेकेंडरी एंड हायर सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन बोर्ड 2008 79.85%. सो दीज आर द एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन. इट्स क्लियर कि इन हर एक ब्रांच हर एक समय उसके एग्रीगेट कितने हैं. एवर ही हैज़ पास्ड आउट HSC SSC. Project information, title name and brief idea. Manually operated your point automobile spanner with gear train mechanism. It is tool through which one can remove the entire lug nut simultaneously from car wheel with a less effort. The main purpose is that tool will reduce the human effort as well as will reduce the time required. It's your purpose कि आप किस तरह अपना वर्क कर रहे हो. For targeting or losing the lug nuts, we are able to apply the same effort on the lug nuts at the same times. So these are the brief idea of his title name. Project information. Academic skills, communication power, manpower management and idea generation, machining, mill, lathe machine, basic and hand tools, sheet metal fabrication, good knowledge in MS Office tools, good company toward challenging work, have good leadership techniques, extra curriculum activities, received a certificate and medal in silver for securing second rank in G2 exam at college level during second semester. Received a certificate in student talent search test which organized by GSHEB Gandhinagar. Got certificate on science fair on district and sub-district level. Participated in one-day workshop programmed on voyage exploration of automobile engine components. Participated in the half-day workshop on mechanical engineering industry growth and employability at OK Book Business Schools. Took parts in cultural activities during college time like drama, singing, etc. Area of interest. Interested in production, automobile, thermal designing field, etc. Process involvement, improvement and cost saving activities. Social contribution. Got certificate about postal presentation on HIV AIDS at college level also. Personal profile, father's name, date of birth, nationality Indian, gender, languages known English, Hindi, Gujarati, hobbies, to making new friends, interesting to listening new things, strength, team player, self-confident and hard-working. References shall be produced if asked for. अंगो कहाँ जाए? He can prove it. Declaration here, I hereby declare that the above mentioned information is true to the best of my knowledge. Thanking you. सिग्नेचर आएगी यहाँ पर कैंडिडेट की. डेट है 4 जुलाई 2014. प्लेस अहमदाबाद. Look at the year. There is also one example I am going to highlight, tell you about. Loren Hoffman, number 1 mainstream, Brington East Sussex, BN1 2 रनवे. सेल नंबर भी साइड में इसे राइट पेज पे लिखा हुआ है. एग्जाम्पल है इसका. ईमेल आईडी. समरी, हाइलाइट्स, accomplishments, experience, educations. So summary, motivating and talented sociology professor driven to inspire students to pursue academic and personal excellence. Consistently strive to create a challenging and engaging learning environment. हमेशा ever be ready to challenge and learn engaging learning environment in which students become lifelong scholars and learners. Exceptional track record of research success with multiple published articles. Highlights: accomplished researcher in social psychology, engaging public speaker, innovative thinker, graduate mentor, curriculum development, resourceful academic advisor, American Sociological Association member, strong public speaker, personal and approachable, inspiring lecturer also. Accomplishments: authored numerous articles published in prestigious journals including Contemporary Sociology, Journal of Health and Social Behavior, and Social Psychology Quarterly. Currently in final selection stages for the pursuing grant for sociological studies. Recruited 3 previous alumni to become high value university donors. Experience है यहाँ पर. Sociology professor, Brighton University. Guide students in using technology to support research. Foster students' commitment to lifelong learning by connecting course materials to broader themes. Important moments in history and current events. Collaborated with admissions on establishing the prerequisites for undergraduate and graduate students. The month, date, year. Professor of Sociology, University College London, taught introductory and upper level courses in sociology. Wrote courses materials such as syllabi, homework assignments, and handouts. Demonstrated a continued commitment to undergraduate teaching through full participation in the college community. And these are the educations. PhD, University of Oxford, Sociology, Oxford, England. Master of Science, University of Oxford, Sociology, Oxford, England. Bachelor of Science, Brighton University, Sociology, Brighton, East Sussex. Thank you very much, dear all.